We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the Artfeel woven cotton rope laundry basket. A 40-liter capacity hamper designed for decorative storage of dirty clothes, toys, and blankets in various rooms such as bathrooms, baby rooms, and living rooms. This product combines natural elegance with practical functionality, making it a notable option for anyone seeking stylish and durable laundry storage. The basket is hand-woven from premium cotton rope, which not only ensures durability, but also provides excellent breathability. This breathability allows air circulation that helps prevent dampness and odors, a key feature for maintaining garment freshness, even when storing dirty clothes. The natural cotton rope material also contributes to the basket's aesthetic appeal, adding a touch of elegant, natural charm that blends well with home decor, making it suitable for visible placement in any room. Users have praised the basket's stylish design, noting that it complements modern and natural home interiors. The basket's round shape and Art Deco style provide a visually pleasing look that does not detract from its utility. The product arrives compactly packaged and folded, which can result in creases and a temporarily misshapen form. However, many users report that after unpacking and allowing the basket to air out, it regains its original round shape. Some recommend filling it with pillows or blankets or using ironing to speed up the restoration of its form. While this process may require some patience, the basket's ability to return to its intended shape is well documented and appreciated by owners. The 40-liter capacity is suitable for holding a substantial amount of laundry, making it a practical choice for families or individuals with frequent laundry needs. It is large enough to hold a full load of dirty clothes, yet not so large as to become unwieldy when transporting laundry to the washing machine. The basket's lightweight nature and sturdy handles enhance portability, allowing users to easily carry it from room to room or downstairs. This feature is especially valued by families who manage large amounts of laundry regularly. Beyond laundry, the basket's versatility extends to storing toys, blankets, pillows, bed sheets, and other household items. This multifunctional use helps maintain a clutter-free living space and adds to the product's overall value. Cleaning and maintenance are straightforward, contributing to its convenience in daily use. The basket's durability is another highlight. The hand-woven cotton rope construction provides a robust and heavy-duty fabric that withstands regular use without losing integrity. Users have noted that despite its sturdy build, the basket remains flexible and easy to handle. This balance between strength and flexibility is a significant advantage over more rigid laundry hampers. The neutral brown color and two-tone design are frequently mentioned as attractive features that fit well with a variety of decor styles. This neutral palette makes the basket a subtle yet stylish addition to any room. Some users have noted that the basket is slightly smaller than expected based on dimensions, but this has not detracted from their satisfaction. In fact, the size is often seen as ideal for avoiding overly heavy loads when full, which improves ease of transport. A few users have expressed minor dissatisfaction with the difficulty of removing shipping creases and the time required for the basket to fully regain its shape. However, these issues are generally outweighed by the basket's overall performance and aesthetic appeal. The product is also praised for its excellent value compared to similar items available in physical stores, making it a cost-effective choice for quality and design. Customer support from the manufacturer, Artfeel, is noted as responsive and helpful, with a commitment to resolving any issues within 24 hours, which adds confidence to the purchase. In summary, the Artfeel woven cotton rope laundry basket is a well-crafted, attractive, and functional storage solution. Its natural cotton rope material provides breathability and durability, while its design adds natural elegance to any room. The basket's size and portability make it practical for everyday laundry use, and its versatility allows it to serve multiple storage purposes. Minor drawbacks such as initial creasing after shipping are manageable and do not significantly impact user satisfaction. This product is highly recommended for those seeking a stylish, durable, and versatile laundry hamper that also enhances home decor. If you own this basket, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the link to the product is in the description and using it supports the channel.